When I make these videos, I often cast past the camera and pull the rig back so it's perfectly presented in the middle of the shot. This time the upbait pings off the PVA bag and lands on top of the lead. It's a mess. I was told and have always believed the rig had to be presented perfect to catch. This looks all wrong to me. So what I thought I'd do is I'll wait till this fish is buggered off and I'll tease the lead back a couple of inches and that'll lay everything out straight. And then this happened. Seems like you don't need perfect presentation every time. And definitely not that time. Say hello to my new friend, a fish called Cuttail. Bye bye, Cuttail.